Hey y'all, we're going to get right into cooking. We're going to start by heating our oil over medium heat in a cast iron skillet. Now, I've got about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. The recipe calls for olive oil, but I'm just using avocado oil because it heats better. So we got that heating up while we're going to season the chicken. Alright, I've got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, and I've cut them into strips because they cook quicker when they're in strips. And plus, these chicken breasts are so big, we'll never eat a whole chicken breast at a time. We'll have some left over for tomorrow. I'm going to throw all these in this Ziploc bag, but you don't have to do it this way. You can just use your chicken breast and season it however you like. I'm going to try to stick to the recipe here. We'll do a teaspoon of garlic powder. That's a big chunk. A big chunk of smoked paprika. I would say a teaspoon, but that might be a little over because it just came out in a chunk. Okay, we want about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Throw some of that back in there. And 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to shake this all over the chicken. Alright, my skillet is more than heated, so we are going to put our chicken in here. I probably need to get a bigger skillet. I might have to scoot all these closer together. Alright, so we are going to cook these on each side just a few minutes. Be back in just a few minutes. I'm going to get my ingredients together for the sauce. Okay, so you want it to develop this golden brown crust when you sear it, just like that. Look at that. Don't that look good? So we're going to go ahead and flip it because that's got that crust on it. And this is one of those good make-ahead meals, and then just freeze it and reheat it later. Or just stick it in the refrigerator. It's good for a few days in the fridge too. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing with the other side. Then I'm going to come back. I'm going to remove this chicken and we're going to make the sauce. Alright, now I'm going to remove these. And we're going to make the sauce. I did these over medium heat, about 5 minutes each side, about 4 or 5 minutes each side. Wasn't that long. All right, next you want to take 3 tablespoons of butter and melt that. We're going to add in 4 cloves of minced garlic. Let that saute just a minute. It smells good. We have a 1/2 cup of chicken broth. And this is a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I'm going to mix that together. This has everything comes out of my pan onto the stove. You can loosen up any bits of chicken that may be stuck to the skillet at this point. That butter pretty much loosened it up. Alright, so it's back to a simmer. We're just going to simmer it for 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so we're going to add a 1/2 cup of whipping cream. If you don't have whipping cream, you can substitute with 1/2 and 1/2. If you don't want to use dairy, you can always use some coconut milk. Turn it down to low. Mix that in. And let me get my Parmesan. It says 2 tablespoons of Parmesan. I'm just going to throw 2 heaps in here. That's probably more than a tablespoon, but can you have too much cheese? And once that cheese is melted, we're going to add the chicken back in. When I have this at Longhorn, I always get a salad with it, so I'm going to have a salad with mine. I guess Steve will have deviled eggs as his side, if he wants a side. Because he's not big on salads. But Miss Carla says, it's smelling good over here. She's going to come over here and check out the floor to see if I've dropped anything, which I haven't. Which is a miracle, isn't it, Carla? Mom usually drops stuff, don't she? Alright, I'm going to add the chicken back in now. I need to get a spoon. I had a spoon. Oh. We are going to spoon this sauce over the top of this some. And then I'm going to put a lid on it, and we're going to simmer it for about 10 minutes. It's on low. I think I already told y'all that, but I'm telling you again. This would also be good served over some zucchini noodles. I have some zucchini. We can actually have this over zucchini. I don't have a thing to turn them into noodles, but just some zucchini would be good. It would also be good over cauliflower, potatoes, or rice. I'm not getting any comments back there from the peanut gallery. Alright, I'm going to cover it. This lid does not actually go with this cast iron, but I found a bunch of lids at my mother-in-law's house And a lot of them fit my cast iron, so I just kept them to put on my cast iron.
Hello, I'm reviewing the lemon pepper garlic chicken.
Lemon garlic, not pepper.
Lemon garlic chicken. And I really liked it. It was good. It was juicy. It was very tasty. The chicken was about perfect. It's been so long since I've had it at Longhorn that I can't truly remember, but
It tastes a lot like the Longhorn version.
yeah, lemon garlic is going to taste like lemon garlic. And I mean, it's got a good blend of the lemon and the garlic to where they complement each other instead of one trying to dominate the other. So I would say drill worthy and 2 thumbs up, and I would highly recommend it to anybody that has a hankering for some lemon garlic chicken.
Thank you, hon.
You're welcome.
Well, there you have it. Longhorns Copycat Lemon Garlic Chicken. I think I will try adding a little xanthan gum next time to thicken the sauce a little more, but it was a really tasty meal. I will leave the recipe link in the video description. I'm going to get back to posting some videos I have not posted that I made months ago from the Southern Keto Cookbook. I have a backlog of those recipes, y'all. So you may see a few videos popping up each week as I try to get caught up on posting all of those. On March 3rd, I'm going to be participating in the Pounding into March collaboration hosted by Southern Roots by Sherry. That is when I will show the low-carb birthday pound cake that I made myself, so stay tuned for that. And then I will be participating in the Marching In with Casseroles 2025 collaboration that I get invited to each year with Greg at Greg's Cumperlatcha Kitchen. I will also be posting a new do-it-yourself bird bath video that I made from a lamp, but it will go over to my Chattanooga Birds channel, so go check out that channel. And I will try to have it posted by Friday, so we will see. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a very blessed week.